Hey guys, just wanted to show you my room here in Kelowna. Pretty nice if I do say so myself. Look at this beautiful view. Wow. Alright. Here we got the AC, baby. Oh my god. We got some pictures. We got the TV, we got the beds. Wow. Wow. All to myself, boy. Beautiful. We got everything. We got chips. We got coffee. We got Katie stuff. Great bathroom right here. Absolute great looking bathroom. What a wonderful little bathtub. A nice toilet. And anyways, yeah, that's my room, guys. Glad you flew along. Shit. Oh, shit. Hey, so just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of my hotel room. Yeah, we got a bathtub, we got a toilet, we got towels, we got boy. We got chips, we got coffee, we got a mini fridge. What we got on the mini fridge? It's just leftovers. Suitcase, bed, my bed. I got my own bed. Then another bed for whoever. I got my stuff. Got a desk. Got a chair. Got an AC unit. We got a nice balcony too. You know. Really like it out here. Really great view. Anyways, so yeah, that's gonna be the end of my tour, guys. Yay! Now they're gonna think I'm retarded. What the? Hey guys, welcome to my room tour. This is the bathroom. This is hey, it's me. Yeah, this is my bed. This is the other bed. That's hey, see you. Alright, great seeing. Bye guys. What the?